Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel The Onlookers Occult, and today in this video I will be talking about the law of attraction. So I will tell you what is the law of attraction and how can you use the same to manifest your dreams. That is, how can you use the law of attraction to turn your dreams into reality. So the term law of attraction says that your thoughts attract your experiences. So if you have positive thoughts, you are going to attract good experiences, and if you have negative thoughts, you're going to attract painful experiences. It is a philosophy that believes that the power of mind or the power of intention can translate thoughts into reality. It works like the law of gravitation. If you jump off the couch, you're going to hit the ground. Similarly, the kind of thoughts that you send out in the universe are the kind of experiences that are going to hit you back. So your mind will stimulate something like a gravitational pull to get what you actually desire. So to understand the law of attraction better, one thing that you should know for sure is the difference between the external locus of control and the internal locus of control. So the theory of external locus of control says that you are a product of what has happened to you, which is not true at all. The real theory, the right theory, is the internal locus of control, which says that what you experience is a product of what you are, and what you are is a product of what you think. I will tell you 6 ways to make your dream come true using the law of attraction. So the first point is a positive mindset. It is very important for you to have positive thoughts inside your head. Focus on what you want and not on what you lack, because lack is absence. And if you let out the thoughts of absence in the universe, then you're going to attract more absence. Point number 2 is the usage of positive terminology. You should slowly eradicate terms like no, never, cannot from your vocabulary. No, I don't think I can do it. Could be, it seems tough, but I can try. This is not good for me, can be, I can find a better way around it. I cannot be what you want me to be, can be, I am struggling to live up to your expectations. So the more positive words that you use in your day-to-day communication, the better it becomes. The third point is to be a creative head. So it means that you have to expand your horizon in terms of imagination and visualization. It's very important for you to be able to visualize and imagine what you truly desire, or what you want to be, or what you want to attain. Of course, being delusional is not what we're looking for here. The fourth point is the expression of gratitude. Thanking your God or the universe and the people around you is really important. It basically gives you acceptance of what you already have. I start my day in the morning by thanking the God, my universe, for giving me the gift of life, and that to a good one. I've had such good people around me, people who've provided me with education, good standard of living, and shelter, and so many more things that a lot of people don't get. So I express a lot of gratitude for that. Also, you should show gratitude towards your parents as well as your teachers, your siblings, your friends, and so on. The fifth point is to meditate. It soothes your mind, it brings you to a very calm state, and it also lowers the stress level. And isn't it good to, maybe for some moments be in a position, your mind could be in a position when you're not thinking of anything. You just cut all the thoughts that randomly go on in your mind, you're just in a state of relaxation. This can definitely be tough in the beginning, but once you get a hang of it, with experience and with time passes, it's going to get more easier for you and even more effective. And the last point, the sixth point, is replacing your worries with action. So you should rather concentrate on how you can work on improving a particular situation rather than worrying about it, because worrying is like double time the suffering. So rather than worrying how is it going to happen, what is going to happen, you should rather focus on how can you make the outcome or the situation work in your favor. Also, if this is a situation in which there's nothing that you can do, it's an inevitable situation, then why worry at all? So I hope you guys liked this video. The law of attraction really does wonders to a lot of people. You guys should definitely be practicing these 6 ways that I mentioned in order to see your dreams coming into reality, and you're going to so love it. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave me any comments if you have any feedback. Thank you and have a good day.